special sample superstore subset.xlsx using order sheet, which product subcategory in consumer segment is delivered in shortest average time during year 2011. By reading the question, following things come into our mind, that this question is related to find the shortest average time. The shortest average time to deliver, it means we have to make one calculation where which gives us the shortest average time, and the year they have mentioned 2011, and they have also mentioned about the customer segment and the product subcategory. So for this information, let's go to the solution. Data set is already loaded. Now let's move to the solution. In the question they have asked to find the average shortest time. Average shortest time to deliver, it means we have to create a calculation for time to deliver. Time to deliver will be calculated by subtracting ship date minus order date. So this will give us time to deliver. If we put time to deliver here, we put this one here, and time to deliver should be always average. They have asked to use the product subcategory. Product subcategory. Product subcategory. And order date. Order date, what they have mentioned in the question is 2011. So let's select 2011. And specifically they have mentioned to get the data for consumer segment. Consumer segment. Here is my segment. Here is my consumer segment. If I select consumer segment, and let's make this way, put here, and product subcategory here, and let's make it in the descending order. Yeah, so this is the average time to deliver for the product subcategory under the consumer segment for year 2011, and the lowest is envelopes, which are delivering in 0.857 days. So this is the solution of the required question. Thank you very much.